Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, have an order at 55 here for a call option. Although that's looking like it's maybe disappeared now on me. In terms of having a chance at it. I'm looking to do options, so if you don't know what I mean by options, just comment below option guide or guide, and I'll link you to something I put together called the Big Basics of Options, and it'll walk you through terminology, how these work. Options sometimes have a reputation of being very advanced and complicated, and they can be made that way, but they don't have to be, and I approach them in more of a simple way. But options are great if you have a smaller account. That's not necessarily why I do them, but they are very solid if you do have a smaller account. So that's something where if that fits you, then perhaps you'd want to consider them. Like I said, just comment below option guide. And I will link that to you. All right. Well, I wanted to call because I thought the price would go up. It did go up, but I just would never have been filled in either way. So, okay, I will pause for now, and I'll look for another setup. Have an order at 50.50 here for a put option. All right, I'll pause for now. Going for a call here at 41.50. Got that at 41.50 call. And out for a fast $50. Very good. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 47.10 here. For a call. I got close, but it did not fill me. And I'm watching this number down here, and if you scroll back, you'll see that number went down and was showing 47.10, but it just never actually filled me. So had it filled me, that white right there order would have turned to green, but it didn't. That's why it's still white. So if you scroll back, you'll see exactly what I mean. It was on best bid, so I was close to being at the perfect spot, but was not good enough because obviously I didn't get filled. And that's why trading's hard, right? I thought it would come down, or I thought it would go back up after coming down, and I was right. It's going back up. But that's why trading's hard, because I was right, but I'm not making any money from it because I wasn't able to get filled. So that's always part of trading too. You can be right from a broad standpoint, but you still got to be able to execute and all that. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.50 here for a call. So it needs to come down a bit more. I will pause. Have an order at 47.70 here. Got in at 47.70 for a call. And out for $80 move on that one. I will go ahead and pause. Did I even hit record? I think I hit record. I did. All right. So I'm now up 130 on the day. I'll go ahead and, like I said, pause. Have an order at 54 here. In at 54, out at 54.50. If you blinked, you missed that one. As soon as I hit the sell button, I was out. So you might have to scroll back to watch that whole trade play out. But again, as a reminder, if you watch down there, you'll see my white order change green, meaning I got filled, and then I threw an order, and it probably lasted white for a split second before going right back to green. So that was literally $50 in seconds. All right, maybe another chance here. Let's see, what is this right there? Let me go to a different strike price. Again, what are you talking about strike price? Once more, those are the things that are covered in that free class. So yeah, about 50.10 here, give or take a little bit. Let me throw that out there. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 58.50 here. Nope, did not fill me. So we'll go to 57 instead. No, excuse me, 55. All right, I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 56.30 here for a put. Was on best bid. And then came down. So that was a move I was looking for, and I did not get filled. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 55.50 here. For a put. In at 55.50. All right, so I just took a $20 loss on that one. Didn't quite go the way I wanted to. I guess now I would have been okay, but came up a little bit further than what I would have wanted. So just decided to take a loss on it. Small little loss of $20, so no big deal. All right, I'll pause. All right, I think this thing's about to head downwards. So let's see if I can get filled there at 57.50. No, I missed it. All right, never mind. I'll pause. Have an order at 54.50 here for a put. Let's try 53.70 instead. All right, I'll pause. Okay, 53.70. Maybe getting close here. All right, let's go to 52.50 instead now at this point. I will pause. All right, gonna go for 54.20 here. No, rejected. Okay, I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 54.50 here. In at 54.50. And out for $50 there. So very good. So not only did I get that $20 wiped away, I'm now up $30 on that position. So you can see that right there. That is why that went from 30 to, or excuse me, down 20 to up 30. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, gonna go for a call here at 47.50. Got that at 47.50. Maybe a chance here to add at 45. See if we can get that 45.50. See if it wants to make a bit of a bounce here. And out for $60, I think, on that one. Very good. Always the benefits if you start with one contract, you give yourself some flexibility. Well, probably should have just scaled out at one. Definitely should have scaled out at one, but also to be fair to myself, I am talking and judging myself in hindsight here. So I don't know about you, but on my hindsight trading account, I'm very, very rich in it. So yes, in hindsight, I should have scaled out with just one at 46.30 and then had one more work for me, and it would have turned out to been a lot better. But again, to be fair, that is me hindsight trading here. Okay, so there we go on that one. Like I said, $60. So happy with that. And again, just the benefits. If you start with one, are you going to make a bunch of money if it goes in your direction? No, you're not. But do you get a little bit more flexibility within the position itself? You do. So, all right, I'll pause. Have an order at 42 for a put. Oh, I was close, but did not fill me. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 42.30 here. So I'll keep a close eye on it, but just in case it pops up and fills me and I don't capture it on video, just want to get it documented. So that's all I have. I'm going to go ahead and call it good. Not that I've been around every second of the day anyways, but I am definitely going to just move on with my day officially and call it good here. So $270 with commissions. Let's call it $250. $250 in my pocket for very minimal effort as a side hustle. I am very pleased with that. For those of you that are new to the channel, this is a total side hustle for me. I'm a big believer in multiple streams of income, and I have many streams of income, and this is just one of them. So that's why I call myself just a part-time trader. This is a side hustle because I have so many other streams of income. It would be disingenuous to say, oh, I'm a full-time trader. No, I'm definitely not, because of my multiple other streams of income. And I encourage you to do the same. I'm a big believer. Every wealthy person I've ever studied has multiple streams of income. So yeah, is $250 some sort of like mind-blowing amount? I mean, no, you could probably look on social media and say, that's all you made. I saw so-and-so make way more than that. And for that person, fantastic. I'm happy for him. But for me, in my time of life, father of 6 kids, I want the freedom of time. I want to have the choice to do whatever I want with my time. And if that means I can have an income stream and a side hustle that allows me to put, $250 in my pocket in a very, very minimal amount of time, then, I'm very pleased, more than grateful for that. So thank you for hanging out. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.